I need your help. So my daughter just had a baby in March. It was her first baby boy, my first grandbaby, and I wanted this Mother's Day to be really special. She's traveling to Florida this summer, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to buy a beach bag and I'm going to stuff it full of all kinds of things that she will need while she's at the beach. However, I need your help. I bought two and I'm not sure which color to go with. So I'm going to turn my phone around and I want you guys to vote if I should go with the dark blue or the light blue. Okay, here we go. Should I go with the dark blue or the light blue? I originally purchased the dark blue, but when I got it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's a little dark. And so I went ahead and purchased the light blue. But my entire goal here is to fill it with lots of fun things. And so like I purchased this little t-shirt that says you're doing a great job. Happy first Mother's Day. I got a little tumbler to go inside that says, I think it says something like best mom. I got some slippers that I put in here. I have a beach blanket. What else in here? I've got a little bag that she can put some goodies in. I've got a sweatshirt that says mama on it. And I love these because you can pin them to the outside. So I thought that was really, really cool. So again, help me out. Dark blue, light blue. Dark blue, light blue. All right, guys, I'm going to wait on the votes.